G'day guys, I'm Melody Blue. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, do y'all want to see me finish this? Let me know. About watercolor pencils, I learned something new. It's probably not new, it's just, I just found it, okay? This is the Signal Red in the, that's Flesh. I think it's this one. Lemon yellow. No. Where is the one I was using? There it is. There it goes. Okay. Now, you can use the water brush, or you can use a regular brush. But I have found out, I'm getting a new tile. Gotta use them up. Yeah, I used to be into doing tangles, so I don't do it much anymore. And when I do, it's usually just so I can draw something to have on here. But anyway, get my water open. Watch me spill it everywhere. That would not be good. Okay, I'm going to take the red watercolor pencil, and I'm going to just scrub really, really hard on a separate sheet of paper. Then I'm going to take my water brush, and I'm going to, and watch. I can use it as a palette for my paint. You guys seeing this? This is awesome. And it just doesn't give up. It just keeps going and going before you have to redo it. Ain't that awesome? I don't know what that was, but now that was the red one, and I've used y'all seen those watercolors that you can buy that's on paper, and yeah, that's what this amounts to. So I'm going to do the marigold the same way. Just scrub it on there really good. I hope I got this right. Okay, I'm going to do it the same way, and I'm just going to scrubby, scrub. Then I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to paint with it. And I can come in here. And I can mix it. Got some red in it, but okay, but that's not all that it'll do. I can take my pencil and I can rub my wet brush over the tip, which doesn't do very good. But if you keep after it, it will. You just got to get your your brush loaded up good enough. So, you can do that. It's not as bright as using the paper as a palette, but it does work. Use the marigold. Now you have to get it. You have to load your brush up really good. And there you go. painting. Still got a little red on my brush. But there you go. I'm going to do this. I'm going to blend this yellow up in there. And there. Now it's blended. I just thought I would show this to you. Like I said, I know it's not a new technique. It's just that I have figured this out on my own, and it works the same way with the paintbrush. Okay, let me do it again. Let me redo my spot. Put some more pencil in it. And I'm going to take a regular brush, get it wet, pick up some of the pencil. Works just the same. I had a lot of water on my brush. But, yeah, that's just a couple of ways you can use the pencils. If you don't want to just, color right on the paper with them, you can use them as a regular watercolor. You just have you some paper, if you're going to do it that way, which I suggest doing it this way, because rubbing your pencil with the brushes, and it's going to make your pencil tips fragile. So I wouldn't do that too much. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys this because I lost the lid to my water bottle. That's what fell, wasn't it? That would be what dooted it. Okay. Anyway, I wanted to bring that to you and ask y'all if y'all want to see me finish painting this simple doodle. I mean, there's not much to it. Just do every leaf the same, and then there's a little bit of green and maybe a little bit of yellow. But yeah, I wanted to show y'all that. I would use the paper method if I was going to use it like watercolors that come on the pad. They're just basically papers with watercolor printed on them, which is basically what we're doing here. I wanted to come in here and get this done and get it done pretty quick because it's Oklahoma and it's fixing to storm. And I don't like being near anything electronic when it's storming. And besides that, you can blow on the wind. You can blow on these lines out here, and it'll flick on and off and then it'll just go off and stay off for hours. So yeah, that's why I don't want to be in the middle of recording this and then the lights start flickering. I've had it happen before. Totally out of the blue storm. Yeah. So, you guys, I think I'm going to call it right here and hope this thing took right because I did bounce it, so hopefully it didn't do anything stupid. But if it does, forgive me. Wasn't on purpose. Alright guys, I'm going to get off here. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I wish y'all would give me some likes. I don't know if it does any good or not. I posted a video in the community section. You know, does it really make a difference on uh, getting likes and shares and subscribes? I don't know. Y'all have to watch it and let me know what y'all think. So, okay, guys, I'm going to call it there. I love each and every one of y'all. And until the next one, peace out. Bye.